Hi, today I'm at Quartier Des Serres, which is really a unique shopping experience. As you enter, you encounter La Terrace restaurant. This is the preferred place for many of the businesses around to come and have their lunch. It's close to school. And as you walk through the grounds of Labourdonnais, you will encounter these small trains that were used in the sugar industry. This was all built in the same style. And this is one of the drains again. So this is the seating area and lush gardens. I can really recommend the pizzas here. And their salads are really awesome. What makes this place unique is the amount of vegetation and the lushness of this vegetation. It's truly a Garden of Eden. These Japanese lilies grow up to more than 1 meter high. So I'm doing this walkthrough. There's 15,000 square meters of rental space here. Many people have set up offices. It's an office park, a small deli supermarket, a restaurant. This is just a view of the office park. Here you will find hairdressers, pharmacy, bookshop, art galleries. If you visit this place only to come and have a look at the plants, then you should do that. I've seen plants here that I've seen nowhere else. Look at the colors. All built in the same heritage style. This is one of the old trains. This one was built in The Hague, in Holland, the Netherlands. This is a fantastic place to set up your office. These peace lilies are huge. So I was here in the morning and took this walk through. This is the pharmacy. businesses that have set up shop here. And the vegetation just keeps on and on. So after this I visit the Chateau de Labourdonnais. The name Quartier Des Serres can be translated to district of greenhouses in English, which suggests that the area is involved in greenhouse farming of horticultural activities. This area is very well known for the cultivation of fruits and vegetables. I also visited Colonial. This is a large deli shop. Famous butcher has a stand inside. That's the section for your preserves, your pastas. A lot of these imported fruits are a bit more expensive in Mauritius, but it's understandable because they're all imported. It's ideally located some 20 minutes from Port Louis, only a few kilometers from Grand Bay. It's both a tourist destination and also a range of wines and rums. This area is designed to grant easy access to the various surrounding entities. So, after visiting Quartier Des Serres, I head off to Labourdonnais. The chateau itself is an architectural gem featuring French colonial style with elegant interiors. So they had a wedding and I could sneak in at the back through that gate. The estate is famous for its well-maintained gardens, which include a variety of exotic plants and trees, including mango, citrus fruits, and spices. There's a distillery where visitors can learn about rum making process and sample some of the local rums. This is really a popular tourist destination. The house itself is fascinating. When you visit inside, you will be able to see a video of the restoration of this house. It was really in a derelict state at some stage. There's a good restaurant, La Table de Chateau, where you can enjoy local cuisine, dishes made from ingredients grown on the estate. This is the historical estate. It's located in the area of Mapou, in the Rivière de Rampart district of Mauritius. Really gives you a connection to the history of Mauritius. It's just a glimpse, the building inside, the stunning tiles, the unique bench. There's a small conference center out there, can be booked. Beautiful fountain with clear crystal. Chateau. That's the restaurant in the background. It's a little bit of the history. Tells you more about the chateau as you enter. Just love this place. Drawn out at, it still has some of its work in the chateau itself, in the gift shop. Our dodo range is represented there. And it's been a source of income for us for a while, quite a while. So we come here often to restock. There's an incredible line of trees. Gnarly trees. Beautiful character. This is quite a famous view of the chateau through the line of trees. The chateau itself is an architectural gem featuring French colonial style, elegant interiors. You can pay to go inside and then guided tours are available. You can learn about its history, the lifestyle of the time, and the family who owned it. Overall, the Chateau de Labourdonnais provides fascinating glimpse into the history and agricultural heritage of Mauritius, making it a must-visit destination for those interested in history, horticultural, and local cuisine. So this concludes our visit to this area, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.